Hello everyone, I am your math teacher Priyanka from the California, and I hope everyone is fit and fine at home, my loving kids. Okay, so my loving kids, we are doing that the chapter perimeter and the area, and we are on that exercise 21.5, which is on the page number 309. Already we had done that question number 1 to 3rd. Now we are on the question number 4th. Okay, so see here in your question number 4th, the adjoining figure shows a circle and two identical quadrants. The diameter of the circle is here 28 centimeter. Find the area of that shaded part. The adjoining figure shows a circle and the two identical quadrants. Means this figure is showing that bache means one of the circle, and with that two identical quadrants, means two identical, this one quadrant and this quadrant, these both are there showing, and the diameter of the circle is of here, they are saying that is here 28 centimeter. We have to find out the area of this portion. Here you may see this figure is also representing a square form, and this is here almost the, if we will construct it further, then it will create the image of that square. It will create the image of the square only. So first of all, here you can see what is the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle, that is the length of the square, and the diameter of the circle, both are having that same. This is the length of the square and this is that the diameter of the circle, that both are the same. That is here 28 centimeter. And what will be the radius? Radius is the half of the diameter, that is here 14 centimeter. And now further you have to find out that area of the square. Area of side already you are having, and the area of square is here side into side, that is here 784 centimeter. Means ultimately, firstly see here bache, you want to find out the area of that shaded region, and for that sense here you may see, if we will subtract, first of all we will find out the area of that square. if अगर हम स्क्वायर के एरिया में से this quadrant area, this quadrant area, and this much portion, if we will subtract, then you will get it the area of this portion. Means पूरे स्क्वायर में से अगर हम लोग ये वाला portion, these quadrants area and these little small quadrants area, if we will subtract, then you will get it the area of this portion. And for that sense, first of all, there is a need to be find out the area of the square. From that only we will subtract these two portions. Area of square is this one. And next further, what is the area of the circle, full of the circle, that is the pi r square, and that you will get it after the calculation for 616. And then they are saying area of the square do not cover by the circle. Area of the square means this one portion, area of the square do not cover by circle, means this portion, this and that. Four portion will be remaining left, this and this and this. So पूरे स्क्वायर के एरिया में से अगर हम लोग, हेयर यू में सी, अगर हम स्क्वायर के एरिया में से ये सर्कल का एरिया माइनस कर देते हैं, सॉरी नॉट लाइक दैट, हेयर यू में सी in the shape of like this, I think so, circle like that, means these portion are left. means अगर हम लोग स्क्वायर के एरिया में से सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करते हैं, then you will get it that these four sided portion area. So same thing here, square area minus that circle area, this small portion area you will get it, this and this and this and this. Okay, and then but there is a no need of the full of the these portion, we need only, we have to subtract only this much portion. So these are the four, and we will take it only the, use it only that half side will be your 84 centimeter square. Then area of the shaded region, already I told you shaded region area, square area, subtract these two quadrant area, subtract these quadrant area, and these quadrants area you will get it here 84. This and this is area, you will already you got it here. And now there is a need to be find out the area of these portion. These are the parts of the circle, 1/4 part of the circle. So what is the area of this one portion? That is your first quadrant, 1/4 pi r square. 1/4 pi r square, you will get it the area of 154. But you got it here only that 154. But there is a need to be find out the area of these two portion. Here is also one, if this one is here 154, this one is also here 154. So that one area of the your two quadrant is here 308 centimeters square. So what is the area of your shaded region? Area of square minus that area of this quadrant and minus the area of this one portion, दोनों को minus कर दे, then you will get it their area, that is your 392 centimeter square. Clear? Okay, now come to that next question. Next question is of your ABCD is a square and ABCD are the points on a circle of the radius 12 centimeter. All the 8 shaded parts have the equal areas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 shaded parts having the equal areas, and you have to find out the total area of that shaded parts. Here you may see radius is here 12 centimeter and diameter is here 2 multiply radius, that is of here 24 centimeter. And for that sense you have to find out the area of this one portion, shaded region portion you have to find out. Okay, so for that sense first of all there is a need to be find out the area of the circle. Circle area we will find out, that is here pi r square. Pi r square you will get it here, that is here 452.57. Now afterwards we will find out the area of this one square. हम लोग क्या करेंगे बच्चे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. सर्कल के एरिया में से ये स्क्वायर का जो एरिया ना दिस मच पोर्शन वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. सर्कल एरिया में से हम लोग ये जो स्क्वायर का पोर्शन है इतना पोर्शन जो है हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. देन यू विल गेट इट द एरिया ऑफ दिस मच पोर्शन, हाफ दिस वन at where I put the dot. This one portion, this portion and this portion means 4 portion area you will get it only. Then we will do that equal portions are there, then we will do that double, then you will get it here area of that 8 shaded part. First of all there is a need to be find out the area of the circle, that is here this one. Now there is a need to be find out the area of square. So for that sense there is a need of the side, and for that sense here you may see square is there inside. Square is there inside. Okay, inside we are having that square, and we do not have that side of the square. First of all there is a need to be find out the square side of the square. Circle radius and the diameter, circle diameter and the center diagonal of the square, that is the same, that is of your 24. See, circle diameter and square is inside, so that means the diagonal of the square is here 24, and all the angles here you may see 90 degree of the square. And if that means this one 41 and this one also 45 degree and 45 degree, and if the angles are equal and their opposite sides are also equal, so that means one is here 24 and others are, we will assume it here x and the x. And we know that very well diagonal of the square is equals to the diameter of the square, and we may also consider it as the Pythagoras theorem, means hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Base square plus perpendicular square. So here you may see hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square, and this one calculation I think so you know very well, and afterwards we will get it the value of that squares side of the square. Then what is the area of square side into side, that is here 288, and we will get it the area of that 4 shaded part, area of circle minus the area of that square. We will do the subtraction, then you will get it this one, but we got the area of these dotted parts only, but there is a need to be find out the area of these 8 shaded region, and for that sense there is a need to be the double 4 shaded part area this one. And what will be the 4 2s the 8, 2 multiplied, that means here also we have to do the multiplication with the 2, then you will get it the area of this one portion 8 shaded region. And I hope everyone understood it. Okay children, first of all try to be solve it at home on your fair notebooks, then we will also discuss in our the Zoom classes. Okay, have a good day.